Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial we had learned about stats. So in today's tutorial we will be diving deep into dev tools of React or React 3.js 5. How we can go on in detail to know about the consumption of your RAM, memory, or how many frames per second React is presenting in your browser. We need to know in detail. There is one library named as R3F Pref. This is our next topic. We'll be moving forward to learn this. So before moving forward, you guys saw that we are facing an error in our React 3.js project. I had created .env file, and simply I had write generate underscore source map equals to false. That will remove the error that we are facing. Not error, it's kind of warning that we are facing in the last tutorial. Just simply like create a file named as .env and pass this generate source map to false. This is the one way. There's another way as well that is mentioned in the documentation as well. If I go towards stats panel and if I will move down a little bit, so for troubleshooting you will be facing an error of bubble plugin private property in project. Okay, simply what you need to do is you need to install this npm install as dev dependencies. As soon as you will install this one, you will not be facing error anymore. And simply other than that, what you can do here is you can generate source map equals to false. You can pass this as well to overcome the warning that you are facing in your React project. So I had done the same thing as well. You guys can go on with that and move forward to R3F Preps. How we can do R3F Preps is simply you have to copy that one. This is R3F-Preps, a library, --save -dev mean. It must be installed for development mode only. It will not be a part of your production mode. Simply go break the process sudo and paste it, and after pasting I'll be using force to install the libraries because I have some sort of up and down in the versions. So in case you guys are facing any kind of issues with legacy pairs or with any kind of hierarchical issues in your dependency installation, you can use force as well for the quick resolution. So I'll be installing that one. Simply I'll create that one and I will run the project. As soon as I will run the project, my dev dependency is installed. I have to import prefs. I will import prefs from where? R3F prefs. I'll go back to my app.js. I will paste this one, import here, and simply I have to what do? I have to comment stats here and here as well, and I will be passing prefs here. That's it. This is the way in which you can understand how your project, how much GPU your current React project is using, how much your CPU your current project is using, FPS your current project is using, how many calls going on until now through the network, how many lines are there, and all details are available there. You can go through one by one to understand all the details, each and everything regarding your application. If you are working on like a very big 3D application, there are certain 10 MB or 20 MB GLB models that you are loading on. This tool is really helpful in that scenarios. Stats is good as well, but in terms of small application, like in terms of large scale application, I'll highly recommend you to go on with R3F-Preps. So I hope you guys had understand it. In case of any question, any query, comment us, reach us to our mailbox as well. In the coming tutorial, we will be moving forward how we can keep control in our application, how we can move in between as a camera or as a person, how we can go on with that. So be ready guys, it's a very important topic. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.